Welcome back to Delicate Foods, a channel of easy recipes, delicacies, travel, and events. So, guys, if you're new in this channel, please view my videos, like, share, subscribe. Remember also the notification bell so that you can switch it on so that you can always be notified of new videos. And for the returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back. Otherwise, thank you so much, viewers, my family, and don't skip the ads. If you want to promote Rebecca Foods, don't skip the ads. Otherwise, guys, I'm back with the vegetarians again once more. The veggies, just want to prepare some cabbage veggie salad. So vegetarians who've been asking me to do a lot of vegetables, so this is part of it. So let's cook together. These are the ingredients that I'm going to use. I have some vegetables here. That is the cabbages. I have some 3 eggs here with me. I have lemon. I have white onions. I have some carrots. I have oyster sauce. I have dark soy sauce. I have vegetable oil and milk. So you can imagine how this video is or how this recipe is going to come out. So please watch this video until the end. So I've just lit my pan. I've placed a pan. Just going to add some oil. So please guys, just watch this video. For the vegetarians who want more videos on vegetables, please keep tuned. My 3 eggs, that is. We'll add a pinch of salt. My oil is ready. Cook my eggs. If you want to know that this veggies is complete in nutrients, you have the vegetables here as vitamins. We have the carrots, we have the onion, we have the lemon, and we have the protein, which is eggs. So just keep tuned and see how this is going to come out. So this is my egg. So my egg is done. I let it cool. So here I have my white onion. So guys, I put my white onion. I'm putting this carrot. So what I'm going to try to do is just to have them blanch. Sure at least the carrots are withered somehow. They have to wither this to be easy to this can easily be eaten. Then now guys, I'm going to add my cabbages. dark soy sauce, some milk. So guys, as it is it cooking, we're coming to the next step. Kitchen. We are going to roll it and then now cut it in strips. So come with me. Look at that vegetable salad. This, as if it is done now, just going to put some lemon to it. So guys, this is a very recipe for nice recipe for vegans. Please try it out. Just look at my vegetable salad. So for vegetarian, you can really have this as a meal. You can serve it with anything else that you like. So nice. Guys, please try out this very nice meal. Thank you for watching. So guys, this is when you can serve the coleslaw. So guys, you see how my coleslaw looks like, how yummy it is. You can serve it with some breaded chicken. So let me just try this. Mm. 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 So guys, this is the coleslaw for KFC. You can see. So this is how it is served. I have my KFC here. Very nice. KFC. So guys, just make your KFC at home. Look, so yummy with some coleslaw here. KFC coleslaw. From Rebikit Foods, a channel of delicacies. Wow, so delicious, guys. Please just DM me and tell me what next you want me to shoot. I'll give you what you want. Otherwise, thank you. Try this out. So guys, can have a look at my coleslaw. Mm-hmm. 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 So guys, this in this video, this is the main recipe, but I'm just trying to show you how you can serve it with some breaded chicken and some Kenyan bhajias. I'm enjoying this meal so much. So this is how to make.